solar floodlights. Let's check these things out and see how they look. This is it here. This is the information on it there. Let's see, does it have, it says with motion sensor. COOZAMING. It's the brand. So here's the instructions for it. Should be pretty straightforward. It says how to install it and all. Let's see what it looks like. Oops. Okay, everything's out of the box. So this is what it comes with here. I guess that's going to be like a mounting bracket. This is the solar panel clearly. And there's the light. So there we go. So let's see how these things will. It's going to be pretty simple to hook up. You got a plug and a plug. Could have just came with a single wire already put together, but whatever. And then, so this will get mounted to like the fence, and then this will get slide into it, I guess. Let's see how we're going to do that. So, is it going to rotate? Yeah. So then we will slide this in. Maybe this way. Yep, just like that. And then it'll kind of hold it into place to wherever we need and mount it. And then this we can mount onto wherever else we would want it as well. So that's it. Let's see, there is a button on there. So what does the button do? So the button turns it on. So I guess if we're in the light, it turns off. And then when we're out of the light, it turns back on. I guess it's got the light sensor here. So if it's charging, it's off. See? Pretty cool. Wow, and that's really bright too. That's pretty bright. And then we have a push, we can push the button and make it a dim mode. And then there's flash mode, so it can flash, I guess. Got a few different modes. I guess I would just leave it probably on the brightest, so then when a light goes on, it just does that. So cool, let me see actually what the different modes are. Wow, that's bright. Okay, so we have mode 1, works at night, so it just says motion detected goes to 100% brightness, and no motion, the light is off. Mode 2 would be always on at 1% brightness, so it's always on just a little bit, and then when motion is detected, it goes to 100%. In mode 3, it's just always on at 10% brightness. And mode 4, it does some of that flashing mode when somebody walks by. So that's kind of cool. So I think I would probably want to leave it at where the light is on just a little bit during the night, and then when motion is detected, go up really bright. So that's kind of how it looks, and this is how it works. And so, let's see, I mean, it's not dark outside, so I can't show you right now, but it's really bright. So I'm gonna guess this is probably as bright or brighter than my other lights that I have. So probably put it over the driveway even, maybe like that, and just shine it down. Oh, I know, I'm gonna put it in the dog pen. That'll be great, so the dogs will have light when they go out at night. Perfect, okay, so that's where this is gonna go, so I'm gonna go put it out there for them. Thumbs up from me, very cool. Solar floodlights,